Hello everyone. Today we learn regarding headache. So first of all, what is headache? Headache is one of the most common of all human physical complaints. We can suffer from the headache. Okay, all of you are suffer from the headache. Headache is actually a symptom rather than a disease, a stress response, vasodilation that is migraine, skeletal muscle tension that is tension headache, or combination of factors. First of all, definition. A headache is pain or discomfort in the head, scalp, or the neck. We can discomfort in the area of the head, scalp, or the neck. Then types. Which all are the types of headache? The first one is the tension type headache, migraine headache, cluster headache, and other types of headaches. First, tension type headache. It is the most common type of headache. It is characterized by bilateral location. It is usually mild to moderate intensity and not aggravated by physical activity. In that also subcategories are there. So in first one is the infrequent episodic, frequent episodic, and third one is the chronic. Which are etiology for the tension type headache? First, it caused due to sustained painful contraction of muscles of the scalp and the neck. We can feel the contraction in the area of the scalp and the neck. Which are the clinical manifestation for the headache? So, headache does not involve the nausea and vomiting, photophobia, that is sensitivity to light, phonophobia, that is sensitivity to sound. Then which are a diagnostic test we can perform in the headache? So in that, first of all, we can take the history taking, physical examination, then EMG, that is electromyography. This test may reveal the sustained contraction of the muscles of the neck, face, and the scalp. Next, migraine headache. What is migraine headache? Migraine headache is a recurring pain characterized by unilateral or bilateral throbbing pain. Migraine type of headache occurs more in female than males. It is associated with the anatomical or nervous system dysfunction. Which are etiology? Different theories suggested different cause. First, vascular theory. Second theory suggests that pain is result from muscular tension and is rare. Biochemical changes in serotonin level. Which are clinical manifestation? So, in that classified by the IHS. In that, migraine without aura, formerly called common migraine. Migraine without aura is the most common type of the headache. Second, migraine with aura, formerly called a classic migraine. It is occur only 10% of migraine headache. Aura, feeling of pain before it start, last last for 10 to 30 minutes before the start of the headache and may include sensory dysfunction, visual field defect, then tingling or burning sensation, paresthesia, motor dysfunction in that weakness, paralysis, dizziness, confusion, loss of the consciousness. Then diagnostic test, so same as the migraine. So in that history collection, physical examination, neurological examination, we can perform the neurological examination. Based on that, we can diagnose the headache, CT scan or the MRI to perfect the diagnosis. Cluster headache. It involves the repeated headache that can occur for weeks to months at a time, followed by a period of diminished clinical manifestation. For that, pain around the eyes, forehead, cheeks, nose, or the gums, swelling around the eyes, facial blushing. Then diagnostic tests, history collection, physical examination, neurological examination, CT scan, and the MRI. Then other types of the headache. This type of headache may be the first symptoms of the other illness. It should be due to some other illness such as the subarachnoid hemorrhage, brain tumor, trigeminal neuralgia, and any other systemic disease. Which are management for the headache? So first of all, we can prevent, right? We can prevent the headache. So how we can prevent the headache? Preventive medical management of migraine involves the daily use of one or more agents that are through to block the physiologic event leading to an attack. There are several proven or widely used medication for the prevention of migraine. Two beta blocking agent, that is propranolol and metoprolol, inhibits the action of beta receptors cell in the heart and the brain that controls the dilation of blood vessels. Then calcium antagonists. Cluster headache are unilateral and come in the cluster of 1 to 8 daily, with pain localized the eye and the orbit and radiating to the facial and temporal region. Then next, moving on to the nursing management. How we can manage the headache. The goal of nursing management are enhance the pain relief. First of all, we can enhance the pain. Then it is reasonable to try non pharmacological intervention. Right? We can use the first of all non pharmacological intervention, that is without the medication. First, but the use of pharmacologic agent so not be delayed. The goal is to treat the acute event of the headache and to prevent the recurrent episode. We can prevent the recurrent episode. So in that we can communicate with the patient. That is, good communication is an essential component of pain relief supported by evidence-based intervention. Then physical therapy or the exercise. Exercise has increased the endorphin levels. A recent reviews has suggested that regular exercise may have a part to play in migraine treatment programs, but that most studies are of poor methodological quality and have not shown significant reduction of headache frequency or duration. Then we can change the our lifestyle. Okay, so in that, nurses and neurologists need to assess the patient to identify potential trigger and to modify lifestyle. Keeping regular habits such as sleep, we can maintain our sleep. Then we can perform early morning exercise. Then we can take the good diet. Then we can relaxation. Okay, we can relax ourselves. Then trigger avoidance needs to be individualized, and severe dietary restrictions are not helpful. But some patients may find that certain foods triggers their attacks and so may avoid them. Thank you.